If you've ever needed to inspect a web page, troubleshoot a site issue, or check what's happening behind the scenes in Chrome, then knowing how to open developer tools is a must. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to open developer tools in Google Chrome step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the 3 dots menu icon. Click on those 3 dots to open the main Chrome menu. After the menu opens, move your mouse over more tools. Don't click away yet, just hover over it. A second menu will appear with more options. In that submenu, click Developer Tools. As soon as you click it, the Developer Tools panel will open on the side or bottom of your browser window, depending on your Chrome settings. This panel gives you access to useful features like inspecting page elements, viewing the console, checking network activity, and more. If you ever need to open it faster later, you can also use keyboard shortcuts. But for now, this menu method is the easiest to follow. And that's it. You've successfully opened Developer Tools in Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.